Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Ave, Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford Edge ST line. The exterior color is black, and under the hood is a 2-liter engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps, and over to the side we have 16-inch aluminum wheels and Goodyear tires, as well as color match handles and mirror caps. This 2021 Edge also comes with remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly feature-screen power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings and door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see your lovely black leather seating with adjustments located on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column for automatic headlamp settings, as well as the tilt steering wheel for our crucial option on the left and our medium hand-free option on the right, just above being a rearview mirror on other cabin lighting. Looking forward to this 2021 Ford Edge, you can see it has 70,701 kilometers on it, as well as over our center face the options available such as our radio, phone integration, media, Apple and Android CarPlay, as well as our owner's manual and sketch, which is below being climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heated entire cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats and a heated steering. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford Edge ST line, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.